supply chain management. So in supply chain management, this is yung flow nga. So we have three basic thing na kailangan natin consider in supply chain management, which is first is the supplier, then the producer or the manufacturer, and also all of you are customer. So dyan umiikot yung supply chain management system. And in terms of demand and supply, so dyan din siya nag-focus. So later we will discuss about the basic of the demand and its connection to the supply. Okay. So in terms of seller, so andito yung raw materials, energy, services, and components. Ito yung mga supply na kailangan para makapag-manufacture tayo ng product. So in production, nandito yung components from the seller. Ito na yung supply raw materials and other item. Nandito na din yung furnished goods and service. Kasi in terms of supply chain management, and siguro 5th-year IT also know it, that supply chain management is not only a product, it's also a service. So during your feasibility study, I think, pipili kayo either product or service. Tama ba? Okay, silence means yes. Okay, then after the production or manufacturing of product, we will serve our manufactured product in our customers. So yan yung basic flow ni supply chain management system. And then, in terms of strategies, we have 3 types. So first is the stable strategy. The other one is the reactive, and the other one is the efficient reactive. So pag sinabi natin stable, it's more on execution, efficiencies, and cost performance. So mostly, nangyayari to in the manufacturing field. Efficiencies, line efficiencies. So we assure that the maximum capacity of line are being utilized so that optimal number of product are being produced. Also in terms of cost performance, we can sell affordable price if our supply chain system is in place and no muda or downtime or waste are being in place on the process. Next is reactive strategies, so fulfill demands from the trade partners. Like for example, the demand of jersey during, for example, NBA playoffs. So nakadepende yung demand ng jersey on its season, if meron ba siyang requirement or not. Efficient reactive, it focuses on efficiency and cost management. So nakabatay ito sa demand ng ating produkto, kung gaano siya kabenta, gaano kabilis maubos, and how it perform on the market. So yan yung strategies natin in supply chain. Stable, reactive, and efficient. Then in terms of flow of supply chain, so we have 4. Una is yung information flow. Andito yung mga invoices, sales literature, specification, receipts, order, rules, and regulations. So more on information flow, more on documents and processes na ginagawa during the manufacturing and sales. Andyan siya. Then after is yung primary product flow. Andito na yung mga materials na gagamitin on the production, yung mga components, yung supply natin, yung service, and also yung finished goods. Yung primary cash flow is ito yung payment of products and supply. So before we manufacture our product, syempre, bibili muna tayo ng mga raw materials, packaging materials, and other thing na kailangan natin to produce the specific goods. Then after, so yung reverse the product flow, pag sinabing reverse on the product flow, nandito na tayo sa market. So, syempre, we manufacturing food products. So, minsan, hindi natin maiiwasan yung return for repair. For example, replacement, if for example, a damaged yung cake, so we need to replace it. Or if ever, for example, nandun ka sa store, you're buying cake, and di ba, ipapakita muna sa'yo yung itsura ng cake before you buy it. And if it's damaged, you will replace it again pala, dun sa store. Then recycling. So mostly yung recycle materials is more on packaging materials since it's recyclable. So it's okay to recycle, but we will reprocess it to produce another one, not using the old one. Disposal. So mostly ito is yung mga hindi na pwedeng ibenta, or ito yung mga nagkaroon ng problem during the manufacturing stage. So automatic dispose na siya para hindi siya makarating sa market. Since we practice quality, yun yung pinaka-importante na ma-provide natin dun sa customers natin. If you have a question, just raise your hand na lang para masagot natin. Okay. Oh, so this is a simple supply chain example. Ano ba yung nangyayari in terms of supply chain? So dito, first part is the wholesale food distributor. So nandito yung mga raw materials like flour, creams, and also sugar to manufacture cakes. So si producer, ito yung nagmamanufacture ng ating cake product to sell to the market. And after that, ibabato natin siya sa retailer store para mabenta and purchase the customer. So that's the basic concept of supply chain management. And then another one, so yun nga, from supplier of raw materials, packaging materials, and other services, then ima-manufacture siya on the manufacturing, and distributor will dispatch it in different sites or retail store. So mostly ang gumagawa is logistics and para ma-consume siya ng customers. And then ayun, so another one from a grain or wheat to flour, and then we will transfer it to wholesaler para i-benta niya as flour, and then dispatch and also sell to store. So kung mapapansin natin sa arrow, so primary product flow, ito yung flow ng product for the delivery to store, then upon mabenta siya or masell, primary cash flow. Babalik yung naging puhunan ni manufacturer. Then we have two types of supply chain. One is vertical integration, and the other one is a lateral or horizontal integration in supply chain management. Okay, so first is a vertical supply chain or vertical supply chain management system. So one example of this vertical supply chain management system is the Logistic group of company, kung aware kayo sa kanya. So kung mapapansin natin, Logistic's group of company have variety of product and services offered in the market. Like for example, this one, they have Asia Brewery to supply beverages like bottled water and Cobra energy drink. Then they have PNB with supply services in terms of banking and finance, and also they have Philippine Airlines supply air service. So kung mapapansin natin, isang company lang siya but different yung ino-offer niyang service sa market or sa customers. Yan yung tinatawag na vertical supply management. Then ano ba yung benefit ng vertical supply management? So control. Since it's controlled by a CEO, so it's easy for the company to penetrate and get sales on the market because of the variety of product and service that they can offer. Another one is no dependencies. Kasi for example, iba't iba yung service, iba't iba yung company. So for example, nag-stop yung isang company, hindi affected yung another companies. Kasi hindi nga sila connected or magkaiba yung service na ipinoprovide nila sa market. Other one is synchronize siya. Because of the process or supply chain management system, the synchronization of different company or different brand in one specific mother company is connected to each other. So the process of the service to provide the needed of the customer are synchronized siya. Other one is the horizontal integrated supply chain management system. So kung mapapansin natin dito, meron lang siyang isang mother company but they have a lot of manufacturer. So for example, may manufacturer dito ng flour, may manufacturer ng RMs or packaging material. May manufacturer dito ng, like for example, sabihin natin sugar or something, but they only produce one goods. Iba't iba yung manufacturing plant of raw materials, but then isa lang yung product na ipinoproduce nila. Yun yung pinagkaibahan ng vertical and horizontal. Pag vertical, different entities composing the company, but if it's horizontal, it's a company giving one finished goods but different manufacturer of their raw materials and packaging materials. So yun yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang supply chain management system. Ano ba yung benefits ni lateral or integrated? So economies of sales and scope. So mas control and also mas kita nila yung movement ng product kasi from the raw materials, the finished goods is control nila. Focuses on particular business. So yun nga, they have one specific product to sell. So mas particular yung business and mas easy to control and also to check if the product is patok dun sa market. They know their market well. Mas alam nila or mas control nila yung market kung saan nila ibibenta yung product. Kasi historically, alam nila kung saan malakas ang demand. Historically, alam nila kung saan mas mabilis mauubos yung product. So yan yung benefits ng lateral. Ano ba naman yung different ng dalawa? So pag sinabing vertical integration, it's strengthened its supply chain because of different links, different products and services to offer, mas natatighten or mas na-improve nila yung supply chain link nila, resulting to many sales like of products and services. Reduce its production costs. Also capture upstream distribution channels. Yung horizontal integration naman is it increases on size. It depends upon on the nature of the business and gaano siya kalakas sa market. If need to expand, it's easy for them kasi mas alam nila yung demand ng market since they are focusing on one brand. Diversify of products and services, achieve economies of sales, reduce competition, gain access to the new customer of the same market. Nangyayari yan sa market. Like for example, they are buying the same brand para mas mahawakan nila yung market and mas malaki yung maging shares nila sa market. Competition is always on the market. Kaya it's on how we will strategize the supply chain management to give our customers requirement. Then, in terms of stages of supply chain, so meron tayong 5 stages. So, it started from stable to extended enterprise. And it's dependent on how the company cook up or how the company apply this stage of supply chain management system. It depends on some companies sheltered from changes, so they are less advantaged. Meaning, sheltered from changes. So parang okay na sila on their existing process and they are not open to improve or automate their process. Kasi nasiserve naman nila yung requirement at the same time kumikita naman ng kumpanya. So parang it's a least opportunity for them to automate their process. Another one is some companies took advantage of the changes. Ito yung mga big companies or multinational companies na hindi takot to automate and invest money for the improvement of their process, resulting naman sa mas mabilis na transactions. Another one is some organizations believe that they are in most advantaged stage because advanced na sila compared to the other companies, di ba? If you're on the professional or if you're in your field na, so mapapansin nyo na yung different setup ng company. Even though, for example, they are selling one goods or same product, approach and process is different. It's based on the company itself and how they do their supply chain management system. Strategy 1, so ito siya. So ito yung multiple dysfunction. So kung mapapansin natin, it's only on the internal process lang nangyayari. So kung mapapansin natin, not organized yung data natin from purchasing to logistics up to production control, also to the distribution and marketing and sales. So connection of information is not that good on this part, but then yun nga, since it's internally controlled, mas nakakontrol pa din nila. Ano ba yung mga possible na mag-result kapag ganito yung setup ng manufacturing companies? So unplanned activities, meron dyan for sure kasi for example, biglang sipa ng demand. So it's hard for them to cope up kasi it's hard also for them to buy raw materials na packaging materials to supply the demand of our customers. Demand and supply issues. So yun, mag-aaray siya because hindi connected yung processes from procurement of materials to dispatch of it. Then more threats kasi nga unorganized siya. For payment flow kasi more on manual transactions and less forecasting. Kasi nakabase lang sila on the historical demand. Yun yung binibase nila on how they plan the demand of our customers that they will supply to the store. Other stages is in semi-functional enterprise. Pag sinabing semi-functional enterprise, its information flow is more effective, efficient, and quality. So kung mapapansin natin, nakalink na si procurement or purchasing, then logistics, so ito yung transport na ginagamit in terms of deliveries, production control, nandito yung planning, nandito yung manufacturing of goods, then research and development, so more on trial to, on how we will improve the product. Kasi syempre, seasonal, nag-iiba yung gusto or nag-iiba yung favorite ng mga customers. So nandyan si R&D to improve and to build a new product to supply to the market para hindi magsawa si customer. And also nandyan din si marketing and sales para mas ma-market and mas madaling maibenta yung product. And like for example, commercials and billboards, yun yung mga ginagawa nila just to market the product. Distribution, more on ito yung mga logistics din na nagde-deliver ng product natin sa stores, and they are the one who control the dispatch of finished goods to different retail stores. So ano ba yung good point dito? So departments perform their function one after the another. So connected siya. For example, merong ibinatong forecast or demand ang market. So nandyan si procurement to purchase materials to produce on the manufacturing. Nandyan si production control, si planning and manufacturing para gawin yung plano and schedule yung pag-manufacture ng products. And also nandyan si distributor or si distribution center para maibigay or maideliver yung product na kailangan sa stores. Then there is no collaboration between various departments and also no partnership formed with customers and suppliers. Number 3 is the integrated. Ito yung meron na silang system which is the enterprise resource planning. So ERP yung tawag dyan. So mas siguro kilala yan ni IE 4th year or 5th year, the ERP or the enterprise resource planning. So yan yung system na ginagamit ni company para mas optimize and automated yung processes from purchasing to distribution. So ano ba yung good point niya? So individual firm begin to focus on business processes rather than compartmentalized function. So since connected yung bawat process, it's easy for them to plan and easy for them to catch the demand requirement of our customers. To incorporate all-link supply chain partner together. Yung link nila between each other is mas madali. Kasi they have system. Mas madali nilang mag-review yung mga requirements and also like for example, purchasing of material and also dispatch to stores. Mas madali din. Because they use system to generate the supply chain management. And number 4, this is the sasabihin na natin, ito yung trend ngayon, yung extended enterprise. So by means of this network information flow, So connected na dito from supplier to production or manufacturer yung company and also si customer. Okay? Once i-upload yung demand or once i-upload yung plan, kita na ni seller or kita na ni supplier yung material na kailangan kasi nag-automated yung generation ng order. At the same time, kita naman ni manufacturing yung ipoproduce nilang demand and then kita din ng customer kung ilan yung available FGs or finished goods na kayang i-supply ni manufacturing. So, ganun siya. So, complete sharing of informations across the integrated network. Since the using system, it's easy for them to communicate by means of the network. So, mas madali. Ito yung trend ngayon. So, mas madali na ang supply chain management system because of this network information flow. Then, team building and planning across corporate boundaries. Mas madali yung planning kasi nga, kita na agad ng mga planners, kita na agad ng mga supply chain people, yung demand. So, mas madali nilang maipoprocess in terms of production planning and also scheduling together with the forecasting of the demand requirement of the customers. So, yan yung stages or yan yung nangyari in terms of supply chain management system. So, nag-start tayo dun sa stable which is manual, sobrang manual. Then, multiple dysfunction. So, manual pa rin, but then may process na to set up. Then, semi-functional is linked na between the internal company, then integrated enterprise, may system na silang ginagamit to execute the system of their supply chain management system. And the extended enterprise is a network connection from the manufacturing company and also the suppliers to the customers. So yan yung stages of supply chain management system. And then, yun. So, naintindihan nyo ba, guys? Or hindi ba malabo?
Di naman po.
Okay. So, later I have 2 questions. Okay. Next is ito. So, upon knowing the supply chain management and its basic thing, so pupunta naman tayo dun sa understanding the importance of supply chain management system. Bakit siya importante and ano ba yung naitutulong niya sa kumpanya when you enter in the manufacturing side. Mas ito, brief introduction. So, ano ba yung aim ni supply chain management system? Yung pinaka-importante is maibigay natin on time yung customer requirements. Like in JFC, yun nga, we can provide Jollibee food like fried chicken, then in Red Ribbon cakes, Mang Inasal, yung chicken with only rice, yun yung kailangan natin ma-produce. So, in terms of the strategic supply chain management system, it should be the supply chain management system is strategized para makapag-produce tayo or makapag-process tayo, which can we reduce our cost, improve customer service, and generate sales. Yan naman yung target ng supply chain management system. Isa pa, how the supply chain management system are implemented. So, syempre, we need to undergo training para mas malaman natin kung ano ba yung mangyayari sa supply chain process natin. At the same time, we need the support of the company, most especially financially, in terms of automation. Kasi in terms of trend right now, we need to have an automated supply chain management system for us to be efficient and mas madali tayong makapag-produce and makapag-serve sa customer. Also, sufficient test. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun na once in place natin ang supply chain system, it's effective agad. So we need to have trials pa to ensure that we deliver the product on time. And then communication is very important in supply chain management system because it involves a lot of people na makaka-deal nyo in terms of communication. So it's very important, kahit naman saan, communication is very important. Then why supply chain is important to retailer or the fast-moving consumer goods. So una, it lowers the cost and then lessen inventory cost kasi nga fast-moving siya. So kailangan natin i-deliver on time yung product and also help delivery of the product on time. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Bawal magkaroon ng shortage yung mga stores natin. Kasi hindi naman pwede na pupunta tayo kay Jollibee, order tayo ng one-piece chicken, then sasabihin store out of stock. Diba? It's a mortal sin in supply chain management system. We should ensure the supply of products are available. Other one, if the supply chain management system is in place, we can sell affordable product, we will lower the cost of production, and also we will gain profit that also results to gain more clients. Mas mabibenta yung product natin. Another one, improve customer service and prompt and secure product delivery. And then, upon optimizing the process, we will make sure that make of supply move faster along the supply chain. We will improve or save our time, money, and company reputation. Kasi if we serve the product on time, makikilala tayo at the same time, brand natin is mas mabibili or mabibenta compared to the other competitors. And also, improve transparency of processes along the supply chain. So yun nga, from raw material to production to delivery to store and to the customer, resulting on the on-track delivery schedule and increase in efficiency. Also, effective operation is important, resulting to the success of manufacturing of FMCG businesses. And ensure the steady of supply, kung ano yung kailan-kailangan para maiwasan natin yung shortage of products. And also, we minimizes costs or losses because of the optimizations of process and resulting to the control molecule notch natures of product. Since may expiry siya and we need to provide freshly produced goods, kaya okay yung supply chain management system. And then, coordination of the demand and supply is very important. Kasi, syempre, kung alam natin ang demand, alam natin kung ano yung kailangan, what is needed, how much yung price ng product, and saan natin siya i-deliver. It's part of the supply chain to know kung saan mabenta yung product para yung allocations of product is distributed based on its business shares. And also, yung supply natin is intact dun sa requirement natin. And so yun, that's all the important of supply chain management system. So that's all. Simple presentation in terms of supply chain management system. So ayun po. Let's proceed on the Q&A. So I give already 2 questions to Ma'am Nemi for the participants for the knowledge checking if you understand supply chain management concept. So thank you. Okay, so my first question is about
Thank you so much, Engineer Aala, for that very interesting and insightful talk. So, if anyone has any question, I know that Engineer would be pleased to answer them. Feel free to ask.
okay, may question ba kayo, future engineers? Walang gustong magtanong?
Sir, I have a question po, sir.
Okay, so what's your name?
Darius Masikat po.
Okay. Sure. Yes? Ano po yung question? Nasa chat box ba?
Sir, about the importance of supply chain management in manufacturing, how it contributes to the attainment of supply goal.
Supply goal. Tama? Tama ba? Attainment of supply goal.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. In terms of supply chain management system, so yun nga, yung sabi ko kanina, it should be in place and also processes are connected to each other. Because syempre, demand and supply of product is very much important kasi we supply the product based on its demand. So first, initially, we should know the demand of the product before we produce it and supply to the market. So sales goal is based on, like for example, we set a market share. So siguro at that moment or at that month, we have 1.6 million sales. So andyan si marketing and si sales just to showcase the product to the market para makuha natin yung sales goal na kailangan natin.
Thank you, Engineer.
Thank you. Okay, so yun. You can get
Engineer,
your-
I have meron po palang nagtanong kung meron daw po bang free Jollibee voucher.
Okay. I give for the Q&A, so I give a token to
Okay.
me. So Ma'am Nemi will give it to you na lang.
Okay po, thank you.
Thank you.
And we have a question from our chat box.
Okay.
How supply chain management address defects and errors? Thank you.
Okay, so in terms of supply chain management addresses defects and error. So specific ba it's on the manufacturing side? Or what part of the supply chain management? Diba we have seller, then we have producer, and we have customer. So in what part yung defects and errors?
Mr. Albiar.
Manufacturing po. Okay. In terms of manufacturing, yes, meron naman tayong defect and errors. Kaya magsiset tayo ng failure rate, yun yung tawag, or rate of defect. It's based on the company kung gaano kalaki yung rate of defects na i-insure nila. But in terms of addressing it, so we have R&Ds, we have quality department, and also we have manufacturing department. Like for example, we encounter problem on cakes. Hindi natin siya ma-produce because we have quality issue on the specific raw materials. So they have QA to analyze yung problem, and also they have R&D also to check what's possible alternative na gagawin nila on how we will mitigate the problem or defects. So it's a connection between departments in the manufacturing to address the defects and errors. So we have production planning in terms of planning related issues, quality department in terms of quality, and also deliveries in terms of dispatch. Then meron din tayong safety to make sure the safety of the personnel in the company. We have HR to address the personal management or personal problem of the employees. So hope I answer your question. So ayun, I have already my question. So 3 questions na. Tama? You can ask question pa if you want. So ayun, connect na lang kayo kay Ma'am Nemi for the 3 personal tokens. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Engineer. Okay, let's move on to our game. Here's the first question. The one who will answer this question will get a prize from Engineer Aala. Please,
Enjoy it.
please provide your name and your GCash number or your contact details for the prize. So, here's the first question. What are the three basic considerations in supply chain management and how it affects each other? Everyone, you can type your answers on our chat box or you can unmute yourself if you want.
Anyone?
Engineer, there's an answer po from
Okay.
Miss Martinez.
Miss Martinez, purchasing, planning, and logistics. So, purchasing, planning, and logistics is under the one consideration, which is on producer. It's part of the producer or the manufacturer. So, one lang siya. Kasi as I've said kanina, on the manufacturing side or producer side, we have purchasing, production planning, logistics, R&D, marketing and sales, and also distribution. Okay, so Alviar, Jan, Frederick, B, raw material producers and customer. So yes, it's correct. So raw materials in terms of supply, seller, producer is the manufacturing side, and customer is the one who buy the product. So yes, tama si Mr. Alviar Jan Frederick. So yun. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mr. Alviar. Please type your number and email address for your prize. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, another game, another question.
For the second question, where did Engineer Aala is currently working? You may open your mic or type your answer on the chat box.
Okay, Zenith. Yeah, right. It's under the Jollibee Foods Corporation. And we do working on Zenith Foods. Correct.
Congratulations, Miss Tyra. I think we had five na po ba? Five na. Or this is the last one. Oh yes, this is the last question. Give one importance of supply chain management in manufacturing and how it contributes to the attainment of supply goal. Please type your answers in our chat box. Just only one importance. Supply chain.